This is what your tungsten looks like. After 10 minutes, same time, same amps. This is why you're getting porosity in your root, even when there's zero wind, right here. This torch is built off Wontech's MAUM series. I ran it on job sites for months. Found every flaw, told them to fix it. And this is the final version, zero compromises. Let's compare it to the old model. They added for extra manufacturing processes inside the WT to 6FL body. Heat resistance and flex durability are both way up. Bend test on the torch head. New one holds up 3 times longer than the old model. If you're out in the field, cranking that torch head around all day, you're gonna want this. I also ran large diameter pipe on site and tested how much heat this torch actually builds up. High amperage 2 to 5OA, full TIG for an hour straight. I could still grab the torch head with my bare hand. That's how low the heat runs. Old 3OF. Too damn hot to touch, don't even try it. Alright, let's get into the torch head temperature test. First up, the 3OF Wontech's toughest model. Against heat, gas fitting attached, that's our heat source. Second, the brand new N to 6FL. Same setup, gas fitting on, that's what we're going up against. Chinese knockoffs not invited to this test. 200 amps, 10 minutes total. Measuring neck and body tongue every 5 minutes. We're using flat plate, not pipe, because radiant heat hits the torch harder this way. That's the real stress test. Old 3OF came in at 170 degrees Celsius on the low end, 470 degrees Celsius at the top. Brutal. New torch at the 5-minute mark, already running 100 degrees Celsius cooler. Easy. Final result at 10 minutes, 60 degrees Celsius to 380 degrees Celsius. Average of 130 degrees Celsius cooler than the old torch, not even close. The longer you run it, the more your efficiency and output are gonna climb. Here's the full 10-minute test results. Old model, carbon pipe oxidation, crept right up the tungsten, contaminated. New torch redesigned the collet structure, specifically to cut down tungsten burn-off. Gas now wraps around the tungsten, way tighter. Better shielding, less waste. Tungsten prices have nearly tripled in the past year. In 2026, top-grade W tungsten to 3.2 millimeters is over 300,000 won for 10 pieces. Ridiculous. So burning through expensive tungsten because your torch can't protect it. That's exactly the problem this torch was engineered to solve. Weights down too. Your wrist will thank you after a 10-hour shift. Old collet chuck, run it hard for a while. It warps, tungsten gets stuck, pain in the ass. To fix that, they swapped out both the collet chuck and the back cap. Bigger chuck, better durability. Weld all day and the tungsten still pops right out. Even on long high-amp jobs, adjusting tungsten length is fast and easy now. Pull and tighten the back cap. Collet locks the tungsten down solid. Back it off just a hair, gap opens up, push forward, tungsten slides right out, clean. That's why the whole back cap design had to be completely reworked. The torch head and collet body contact surface is now as wide as possible. Collet body and chuck the same way, maximum contact area so current flows. With zero resistance, conductivity maxed out. Less heat impact on the tungsten. Better fusion, torch runs cooler. All of it. Arc concentration improves too, porosity and slag drop significantly. And yeah, your electric bill goes down too. Next, the gas flow diagram. This is what Wontech put the most R&D into. Gas from the head hits the recessed cavity and the collet tip. First circulation right there. Second pass, tapered collet meets. The body end structure circulates again. Then it exits through 12 holes. And routes back through 6 holes. That's the flow path. Even the carbon welding collet tip gets insane shielding coverage with this design. Last thing, and this one was my request. Is this torch actually designed to keep oxygen out of the internals? First thing I did when I got this unit, leak tested every single spot on the torch. Back cap sealed up tight, right? Should be fine. I sprayed it anyway. It was leaking. If that's not fixed, you don't have a real TIG torch, period. Let's check the other torches too. You're not gonna like what you see. This is one of those great value Chinese torches everyone keeps buying. Every TIG torch out there leaks somewhere by design. Don't believe me? Go test yours right now. Here's the real problem when you start the arc. Pressure builds in the argon line and oxygen gets sucked right in through the back cap. Ever gotten root porosity rejection? On a dead calm day with no wind at all? Now you know why. If you catch it visually, you fix it, move on, but if it goes microporous on you, you're grinding out the entire root layer. All of it. Wind problem, put up a shield. Damaged gas hose, swap it out. But oxygen contamination from inside the torch. Right now, your only move is swapping accessories until something works, that's it. So I got on Wontech's engineering team and didn't let up until they cracked it. Months of testing later, they called and said it's done. Can't tell you how, patent pending, and we're not handing China a blueprint. Finally got the unit in, first test ever, not gonna lie. Hands are a little sweaty right now. They actually did it, 0 leaks, this torch is completely airtight. Last test, block the ceramic nozzle. Build up pressure inside and check every spot for leaks. (2026) Zero-Defect Torch development complete. Now we leak test the torch. After 10 minutes of welding, hot torch. Yeah, it's hot, really hot. Perfectly sealed, 0 leaks even at full operating temperature. You feel that heat coming off it? The only zero-defect TIG torch in existence. New MAUM Series upgraded version Zero-Defect TIG torch unboxing. Kit number 1, self-taught welding basic set. Built for carbon pipe and small diameter non-ferrous. Kit number 2, full set. Flange welding plus large diameter non-ferrous, everything covered. 2026 MAUM Series Zero-Defect version. What's new? Torch machining, collet chuck, back cap, all upgraded across the board. MAUM Series built with the working welder in mind. Go out there and weld with some damn confidence. This is where it starts. Grab this torch and let's get to work.